Sitting there in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Tell me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know you guys have been wondering where I've been, but guys, I've been so busy. I haven't had any chance to post any video, but I'm back again, guys. Today I'll be doing mussel seafood mukbang, guys, just to you know, update you guys on where I've been, what's been going on with my life. So this is like a live update for seafood bang, guys. I'm gonna keep you guys updated what's been going on in my life, guys, where I've been. Guys, I've been going live, but I haven't posted any video. So yeah, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, to, you know, tell them about my channel, guys. Who doesn't want to be a part of the life gang? But you know, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. So guys, how have you been? Sorry guys, I'm trying to get comfortable. How have you guys been? Guys, we just come home. So let me take my watch off so I don't mess it up when I dip my hand in the bag. Give me a minute, guys. Come on. And let me take this off also. Roll up my sleeves and get ready. So yeah, guys, where have I been? So first off, let me see. Oh, sorry guys. So guys, it's mussels. I'm a big fan of mussels. I love mussels. Hold on. This is so good. I'm trying to get this part. I'm gonna do it on camera. So guys, where have I been? So I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, okay, what I was saying, guys, I didn't have any video ideas to post, guys. The videos that I want to do, I wanted people to be in the video with me, and everyone that I tried to link with was busy, guys. So I just started doing lives. Alicia, move out of my camera. You're in it. Guys, that's my sister. They can't see me. So guys, so I've been on live. Shut up. I've been on live every. Guys, this is the real me. I ain't even cutting out anything. You guys gonna see all this. So guys, I've been on live every night. For those of you who has been on my live, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. Oh, how could I forget? Guys, thank you so much for 1.40 subscribers. I am still in shock on how I got here, but I have to give shout outs to some people who helped me, like Trupsy, Toughman, Kira, and all of them, guys. Maya, what? The person who are always on my life, Frost Ingram, Larry. Thank you, Jody, also. Everyone, my cousins who always there on me every night. Guys, if you haven't seen my lives, go check them out. I started doing free fire and stuff. And like other stuff. What? And Nick, my sister's reminding me. See, Nick? Khalifa got you. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm all over the place. But yeah, so I'm trying to get back to posting videos now, guys. I have a video to record tonight to post tomorrow. But you guys are going to see this one before that one. I am not going to tell you guys what it is, but there's a special guest, someone you guys have been asking me for, but you guys just have to stay tuned to see. Also, guys, I got a new job, so that's what's been keeping me busy. So you can come get it, guys. My sister wants to taste it.
What does it taste like?
Taste it and you will see if you're wasting my slap you. So guys, you remember how I posted my rape video and all? You remember my review video? So guys, is this pepper or so guys, oh, it's pepper. Give me some water. So guys, I posted my review video, so I'm actually working in that field now. I'm working. Oh no, she didn't just plug my ring light out. Plug it in back, quick. Guys, I'm not cutting out any of this. You guys gonna see the real me. Turn it on. Thank you. So guys, I'm an assistant to a counselor. Thank you. That counsels girls that has been raped, molested, abused, or in an abusive relationship. So I'm our assistant, guys. You know, so that's good because I would be there to help, like, counsel them and stuff also. So that's been keeping me busy too. But I miss you guys though. What have you guys been up to? I'm gonna start to post back at least 2 times a week again, guys. Cause the live, I know people who don't be watching my live be missing me. Cause people be texting me asking me why I'm not posting. But guys, I've been busy. Sorry. There's once upon guys that I felt like to give up on YouTube because I was like, I'm not sure this is what I want to do. But then, as I said, the guys on my live, guys, they keep me motivated. And they push me and say, Shadi, don't give up. You should do it. You're going to reach far. So, I'm going to continue. I'm not going to give up. This is something I always wanted to do, so I'm not going to give up. But I miss you guys, though, Lifegang. Guys, this food is so good. I'm all over the place. You guys must be like, Shadi. What have you guys been up to though? After this video, guys, comment down below, let me know what you've been up to. If you guys, do you guys like mussels? I hear a lot of people say they don't like mussels, guys. This is the big ones. I normally get the smaller ones that's black. But this is what I got. And I said, let me do a live update with you guys. Tell you guys where I've been. What I eat. No one be see, guys, this is natural to show you. I'm natural, no makeup, no nothing right now. If I look crazy, sorry. I want this part, I'm gonna get it when I'm off the light. When I'm off this video. Cause I can't let y'all see the ghetto side of me. But I've been here though, guys. I've just been living, enjoying life, you know. Stuff are happening for me and I want to give God thanks. You guys want some here? This is for you guys, take it. I forgot I didn't offer you guys any. This is so good. Kalisha! Kalisha! I need a napkin. I'm part of my sister. Oh guys, do you guys want to see a singing video of me and my family? So no, on live, you guys love to sing. So let me know if you guys want us a dedicated singing video. Just a video of us singing and my dad playing the bass. Can you give me some napkin?
What?
Can you give me napkin? If you guys want that, just let me know and I'll do it for you guys for sure, for sure.
I looked at the mussel and it's still not telling me where, what animal comes from.
She's trying to see what's a muscle. Say hi to my camera if you're gonna poke your head in.
Oh.
Wave, yes, that is wave and say hi now. Okay. So yeah guys, this is just the raw chow, real shalini. No edit, no nothing. Just me.
Oh, it's a clown.
I said that.
Freshwater.
So yeah guys, this is just the raw me.
Raw.
Yeah, this is all me. No makeup or nothing. I'm eating in front of you.
Oh, I thought you meant raw.
Oh no. What else? What am I missing? I told you guys about my new job. I told you why I've been missing. Cause what else happened? Guys, I'm learning how to play. Take your phone out, something. Guys, I'm learning how to play Free Fire. That ain't going good, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. You gonna see.
Please convince her to get Roblox.
My sister wants me to play Roblox, but I'm not interested in it. I gotta see over here taking pictures. And who told her she's cute?
Nobody told me. I already knew. You just keep on telling me I'm lying to myself when I know I'm telling the truth.
Guys, this food is so good, and the spices is good too.
My stomach is upset.
Who tell her to come take it to too? That's why enough for trying rough trying.
That's not why. It's because I already ate porridge earlier.
Porridge again?
Yeah.
Maybe
So
eat some.
sweet and seafood. Not the best combination, but they actually taste good.
Right, make sure you drink your water. Stay away from them sodas. Water and fruit juice always. This child, all she drinks is juice.
You don't see me bring my water in there tonight?
Mm-mm.
The strawberry thing in here?
That's not make. Guys, let me ask you because I want to you guys option. You know those flavored waters that be tasting like soda? Be honest, guys. Do you guys consider that as water? Because when you drink it, it's tasting like you're drinking soda.
No, that's not water.
That doesn't make sense.
That's soda for real.
And then when she does drink water, she have this thing that she had to it, guys, this sweet thing. And it doesn't taste like water. I'm like, if I'm going to drink water, I'm just going to drink the real water. Because that's not water. That's what I be telling her. Because you're adding stuff to it.
No keto.
You're adding stuff to it. That's not water.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, do you guys agree with me? Guys, let me know if what I'm saying doesn't make sense. That's not water.
It's just water. Water is just water. It's just water. Bum, 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 bum.
Guys, I have a few more left. Let me see what else I can talk to you guys about. Guys, sorry if I'm rambling, but I just missed you guys. I said I'm going to post a video even if it doesn't make sense. But just make sure you guys watch it. This girl over here taking picture of me eating my food. Why I do that?
Eat up, mom.
Ooh, this is good. I have to ask my daddy if they want this one. Ask them. Guys, I'm seeing if my dad or my stepmom wants to taste it. Stop videoing me on the app. Look at my cheeks. I asked them.
Baby filter.
That's one of my brothers coming, guys. You want to taste it?
No.
Come wave. Just wave to the camera. You don't have to show yourself. Okay. That's my lovely brother.
Oh, my eyes feel so hard.
Why?
I don't know how to do with pain.
You sleep last night?
Yes.
What time did you go to bed?
I don't remember.
Mm.
Child?
Hmm?
They said, I don't know. I don't know.
I'll be back.
Yes.
So guys, sorry about that. I took a break to make my parents try it. And I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. Ow! Sorry guys. I bit.
Oh yeah, child, Daddy can't eat it.
Oh.
It's too chewy for him.
Oh yeah. Guys, my dad has some teeth ache, so he can't eat it.
This hair.
Don't waste it now. If you're not gonna eat it in my back,
I want to lick it.
it'll drip on you. The juice
I
on the
know.
bottom.
It fell on my shoe.
But guys, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'm gonna finish eat this off camera. So you guys can see me eat it. Oh, this is so. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into my mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though I didn't do much. I'm gonna post a real video for you guys tomorrow. So watch out. Stay tuned for that. You guys gonna enjoy. It's a very requested video and with a special guest, guys. Yep. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification, guys. Thank you guys so much again for 1.41k, guys. Tell a friend about my channel. I love you guys so much, Life Gang. I really do appreciate you guys. I swear you guys be showing me mad love at night on my live and stuff. So stay tuned for the next video. Shally is out. Peace. Mwah. Stop it for me.
You're still in love with me, like the way you claim to be. Am I still your babe?